You should have seen the looks on the workers' faces. They were just amazed.
It's a durable product. It's a reliable product.
OilSkimmers Incorporated has a great name out in the field.
This product just goes and goes forever.
The first time I saw this equipment in action, I thought to myself, this is genius.
This is a very rugged, dependable piece of equipment.
I just love this machine.
Why skim?
Taking oil off of water creates economic advantages.
Skimming oil improves the wastewater treatment process.
More efficient, cleaner, and it extends the life of the liquid that the customer is using it.
There's a lot of regulations in place, and the fact that our product addresses those concerns is a huge benefit.
And we can recover all that free oil so that you can discharge that water.
The oil that's removed at this stage has value. You're removing a product that has some value.
Oil itself can be recycled. It can be sold so you get paid to get rid of your oil.
Hey Jim, that's a good idea. We should skim.
We're not the only ones that make oil skimming equipment. Why the tube? We hear a lot, we're not picking up the oil, we're also picking up the water. We're getting a lot of debris in our equipment from what a rope or a mop skimmer is picking up. Why our free floating collector tube?
One, it floats on top of the water, it doesn't disrupt the oil, doesn't emulsify the oil.
We're not picking up the water, we're picking up the oil that's on the surface.
Oftentimes you'll have sticks, cans, bottles.
Paper cups, earplugs. I've seen everything that you can imagine in the water.
If you have a fixed type skimmer, it can actually form a little dam in front of the skimming area, which will stop the oil from getting to the skimming device.
With the free floating collector tube, this tube has the ability to snake over, under, through, and continually pick up the oil, even in the presence of floating debris. As the water level goes up and down, we just have more or less tubing on the surface, so it constantly self-adjusts to the change in water level. The movement of the tube across the surface actually creates a current that draws in the oil.
The most efficient way of skimming oil today.
Why OilSkimmers Inc.?
We're a global manufacturing company, and right now I'm doing a job in India, and I specified the OilSkimmers equipment because I knew I wanted to get a good product.
You know, a lot of our units have been in these locations for 30 years, 40 years.
They're both outside, so they're running in the hot weather, they're running in the cold of the winter, and they seem to hold up very well.
Basically, you just turn it on and let it run.
There is no need for an attendant, no routine daily checks. As long as the system continues to run and we see that there's no oil on the surface of the water, we're good to go.
OilSkimmers itself has great support from the owner through the sales managers down through your local representative.
We have 45 years of experience in removing oil from water.
So we can have pretty detailed conversations about how to apply a skimmer across a wide range of applications where skimmers are needed.
We have exclusive representatives, not only throughout the United States, but throughout the world, who are factory trained, who not only know our equipment, but who know the applications.
We're always a phone call away, we're a visit away. If there's ever a need, we can be on site ASAP to analyze whatever that need is and then provide a solution.
I just love these things. I really do.